how to transfer your home from SAL PIXIE to SAL PIXIE Plus App. This process will take about 2 to 3 minutes to complete. Remember, you must have the SAL PIXIE app installed and a PIXIE home created in the app, and you must have the SAL PIXIE Gateway powered on in the home. Of course, you'll also need the SAL PIXIE Plus app downloaded on your mobile device and have your account set up. Watch the other videos for how to get started with that. Go ahead and open your PIXIE Plus app. From the home screen, press the little cog in the top right hand corner. Select Home Management from the list and select Switch Home. In our example, we already have another PIXIE Plus home set up, which is one of the benefits of PIXIE Plus, being able to control multiple homes wherever they are or you are in Australia or the world. In the top right hand corner is an ellipsis. Click on that and select the Transfer Home option. On this screen is important information. Essentially, once you transfer your home from the PIXIE to PIXIE Plus, your PIXIE app on all devices will no longer operate. What this means is that once you've completed this process on your phone, you will need to provide access to the PIXIE Plus home on the other mobile devices you would like to have control of your home from the app. Watch the video on providing access to other users for PIXIE Plus. If you are sure you want to proceed, press the Start button. You'll see that the PIXIE app will automatically open and scan your smart home network for the latest settings. Once this scan has completed, the app will confirm that you want to proceed and provides the name of the PIXIE home that will be transferred. If you're ready to go, press the Transfer button. This will only take a few seconds. On this screen, press Next. Now the PIXIE Plus app will guide you through connecting to the PIXIE Gateway, which is needed to use the PIXIE Plus app features. Press the search button and the app will search for in range and powered on PIXIE gateways. Once found, press Connect, select your time zone and then connect your gateway to your Wi-Fi network by entering your Wi-Fi credentials for your home. PIXIE Gateway will connect and set itself up. Press Continue. The PIXIE Plus app will load in the configuration it copied from your PIXIE app, and now you have control of all your devices, groups, scenes and schedules which have been copied across. Once it's finished, you have completed the process and have access to PIXIE Plus and all the extra features, including integration with the voice assistants like Google and Amazon for your PIXIE smart home. Look out for those videos on the SAL channel too. Remember that now your PIXIE app and all mobile devices will not work, and you'll have to install the PIXIE Plus app and provide access to those devices to your PIXIE Plus home.